it, better come get it, cause I'm right here waiting, and you ain't gonna take it from me.
Hi, welcome to another Coach Johnny video. This one's to cover catch or save. We're not going to go over so much the hand positions, just the basic mechanic of catching right now. I'll get into hand positioning in another video and why it's important. As you can see, I was taking shots already, so I'm sweaty a bit. You have to excuse me. But let's get into this now. Important thing about gloves and making glove saves. We want those gloves out in front of our knees when we're in our crouch, so that all our saves are out in this plane, in our eye view, field of view. If I'm making saves with the gloves beside me, I start losing concentration and visual attachment to that puck. If you're really winging the gloves beside me and catching it back here behind me, when I start tossing pucks over me, I start hopping out of my glove, there's less glove facing the puck, my body position gets all twisted. Now if the rebound goes off my glove and out in front, where's my body position to make that next save? I gotta bring it back, reset, and get down, right? So whenever we're making glove saves, we want to make it nice and simple and easy. So what we're going to do is with our gloves up in front, we're going to reach forward and grab. Reach down and grab. One out in front of us. Reasons for this: visual attachment. I make a save here, I can see it in my pocket. Right? I make a save back here. I might be able to see it in my pocket, but it's probably bouncing around. I start doing saves without looking. Yeah, maybe I'll make the save. But I have no idea if I got it or not unless it's feel. If there's a bounce, I don't know where it is. I have to start searching for it. So I want our gloves out here. From your point of view, where you are as the shooter, if I turn around to make a save for high glove, that's all I have to do here. Low glove, here, here. If I start reaching behind myself, high glove, big long movement. Low glove, way down. I can't get way down here either, right? Want it out in front, it's a little movement, right? The other key is watch the weight transfer, center of body. When I make a save outside my shoulder frame, I transfer weight. If it's inside my shoulder frame, I can keep my body here. If it's outside my shoulder frame, now I have to start transferring my weight into it. What happens? With a save, there's a rebound square to it. If it bounces out, I have a good chance. Here, and it bounces that way, I'm now loaded, push, slide. Here, make the save, I'm all square if there's a rebound straight out in front. Another thing it does is it gives me low-weight insurance. Hits my glove, bounces into my chest, I might have a chance. Hits my glove here and twists it, can still go in, right? So minimize your movements, make it nice, clean, and efficient, be able to maintain eye contact with the puck, attachment. Mr. Mike Chow, one of my subscribers, said, why don't we do windmill saves all the time? Well, windmill saves look good, Mike. They definitely do. Making a windmill save when I'm beside myself here, yeah, okay, it looks cool. Watch the glove position on that again. Where's my glove going? Where's that puck going to go? If I haven't fully closed it, puck goes out that way, I'm lost. Other one is lots of guys do this. Ding! And they roll it over. Well, they keep it like this and they lose it. Remember Patrick Wallace being in school? Oh, look at that, I saved him. He drops it behind himself in the net. The only time we use a windmill is when we're out of space and we're stretched out, right? I catch it here, the momentum will carry me and let me pull it around. I try and keep my puck, my glove, try and keep the glove facing where the puck came from. So say you're the shot, I'm here, this is the long reach, right? Well, if I just reach here, I might get it. And now the force, I can go like this. But as soon as I roll my wrist, try to make it look flashy, it might bounce up, lose it, go in, right? The other reason, Mr. Chow, why we don't use the windmill save all the time, if I go here, make a big windmill, looks like you almost beat me, but I made an excellent save. But if I go like this, I do that all day. No biggie. That's easy, which destroys your confidence more than, oh! you're thinking, ooh, I almost beat him, I'm gonna try that again. And the chance of me screwing up is pretty good. Whereas, yeah, I do that all day. Here you go, rep. Here, rep, it's all yours. Which do you think messes with the guy's head a little more? Right? We don't have to be flashy, let our play speak for itself. Watch Carey Price, the only time he makes a big save, it's not because he wants to show off, it's because he was way out of position, had to. If you're in position, everything should be simple, easy. Thank you. Make sure gloves are out in front, saves are out in front, all that stuff. Next video we'll go over hand position. Thanks for joining me. That's another video from Coach Johnny on gloves and how to make a glove save. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave comments below if you have any questions or any topics you want me to cover. Thank you very much for joining me.
When I'm working, get the score on my BlackBerry. I don't make music, on the contrary. I'm making rock'em sock'em hits called Don Cherry. I'm always winning, just call me Trevor Linden. My team is gonna get the cup and that's the only mission. Now we're heading to the Coliseum. Gotta get my tickets cause it's final round game 7. No way I'm gonna